Alright, in this video we're looking at factorization. So to factorize an expression, we use the distributive law in the opposite way from when we expand brackets. Factorizing involves finding the highest common factor, which we can call the HCF, for a group of terms, and you then divide each of those terms by the HCF and write these in the new brackets. So, for example, we have AB plus AC. The common term is A, so A came out the front here, and then you're left with B plus C inside the brackets. So we're going to look at an example, and I'm going to show you two ways to do this. So the first one we're looking at is 3x plus 12, and the highest common factor there is 3. Alright, so HCF equals 3. 3 goes into 3x, 3 also goes into 12. So what I could do now is I can go, well, 3x divided by 3 equals x, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So I know that my highest common factor comes out the front, so we get 3 here, and then we get x plus 4. And that's our factorized example. The other way to do it, if I draw a dotted line down here, is we have 3x plus 12. I know that my highest common factor is 3 still, so I'm going to write 3 brackets like this. I know there's a plus up there, so I'm going to put a plus there. And then I'm going to go, well, 3 times what will get me to 3x? So 3 times something equals 3x. And I know that that must be x, so x has to go on here. Then I go 3 times something equals 12, and that something's 4, so 4 goes in there. So there's both those ways. You can do the division way, or you could do the multiplication way. Alright, we're going to look at another one here. We have y squared minus 2y. So I'm going to do the multiplication way for this one. So we get our highest common factor is y, so I'm going to put y out the front. And then, well, y times what? So y times something equals y squared. So I know that's y, so y is going to go there. I know we have a subtraction sign here, so I'm going to put a subtraction sign there. Y times something equals 2y, and that's, sorry, not negative 2, it's 2. So 2 goes there, like that. So y bracket y minus 2. Next one, we're going to look at 25b squared minus 20ab. So this is one of the cases where you need to find your highest common factor first. And let's say you can't see it straight away. I'm not able to identify what my highest common factor is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my list of factors. So for my list of factors for 25, I know we have 1 and 25, and then I have 5 and 5. So just 5, alright? Now I'm going to just rewrite those in order. Next, I'll write all my factors of 20. I have 1 and 20, and I have 4 and 5. And the same thing, I'm going to write these in order. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is find my highest common factor. So my highest common factor in this case is the 5s. 5 is the highest shared number in our factors. So my HCF is 5. Alright, so now what I can do is I can go 25 before I even go that far. What did I not do? There's a b squared here and a b here. So 5b is our highest common factors because b is shared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 25 b squared divided by 5b, and that gets me 5b. And then I have 20 ab divided by 5b, and that equals 4a. So down here, I write my highest common factor out the front, and then I'm going to put my division answers inside the bracket. So the factorization is 5b bracket 5b plus 4a close bracket. So sometimes you need to factorize like that.